Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download and install 2XKO game on your PC. So here follow the steps. In Google search for 2XKO game and open the first result, and once you are on the official website of 2XKO game, then click on this closed beta option and then register for the closed beta. So sign up for the closed beta, click on register, and after registering for the closed beta they will send you an email for the downloading the game. So you might have to wait for 1 day, 2 day or 3 day. They will send the email to download the 2XKO game. So you will receive this type of email, 2XKO closed beta you are in, and then you can click on play now button to download the game. So click on play now. Here you can see this, welcome to the closed beta, download on PC. So click on download on PC, then click on install on PC, click on start download. You can see it is getting downloaded, and once it is done, click yes to allow, and then you can click on install button. It will then open the right client app, and then the 2XKO closed beta game will get start to download on your PC. So by this way you can download and install 2XKO closed beta game on your PC. So that's all for this video.